Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 360 Dodge 375 horsepower engine for our customer's 1974 Dodge B200 Tradesman van. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 360 Dodge engine, double roller timing chain in there, Edelbrock Performer camshaft. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads on there. Brand new rocker shafts installed, all set. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct rear sump oil pan for the 1974 B200 van. We have the 360 black ridge valve covers on there with the black breather. Red Taylor ignition wires. All the wire markers are on there and the loop clamps. Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake manifold, brand new coolant bypass hose, chrome thermostat housing, high flow thermostat. We have the Holley carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, 14-inch air cleaner with a washable filter, small cap Vertronics distributor set in place. We have the new fuel pump on there, heavy duty Russell fuel line. Gas filter on there, all the loop clamps. Brand new dipstick and tube set. PCV hose on there, PCV valve, the Vertronics flamethrower ignition coil, chrome fuel line, choke wires on there, electric choke wire. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle, we check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family operated business here. So there you have it, our 360 Dodge 375 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1974 Dodge B200 Tradesman van. Thanks for watching.